Today, we are going to see Arctic animals named. Let's sing together. Polar bear, so big and white. Arctic fox, with fur so bright. Arctic wolf, with eyes so keen. Walrus, its tusks serene. Seal, swimming in the sea. Snowy owl, so wild and free. Narwhal tusk is long and bright. Beluga whale is a lovely sight. Musk ox with its woolly coat. Svalbard reindeer taking note. Arctic hare, so quick and fleet.